In this video, I will show you how you can easily add page numbers to your document, such as ebooks or any document you think of, using Canva just with your smartphone. The most interesting aspect of this feature is that it is an automatic feature. Aside from that, it is also free. Therefore, let's dive into the tutorial in details. Therefore, this very particular recent document that I lay my hand on, this storybook, I will need to add page number to this. Therefore, you click on it. To add page numbering to your ebook or any of your documents, you click on T we're having at the bottom here, where we're having text under it. Click on it. This is dynamic text. Therefore, you click on it, where we're having page numbers. Click on it. Here it is. This very particular interface. Under it, we're having format. Likewise, we're having show numbers on. Then we have appearance and position. Therefore, to number your pages automatically in Canva, this is a new feature. Then you click on numbers only. Click on it. This very particular options pops up. If you click on this, it means you want number only there. Look at it. Look at what we're having there. Okay. Look at it, 2, 3, and so on and so forth. Then if you want to go back to it, click on the number. Then you can see edit here at the bottom here. Click on edit. Then you click on it. Page 1. Click on it. You can see that it has changed to page 1. Look at it. And if you want it to be in this format, page 1 of 10. Look at it. Then you can now fix it this place. This is it. Page 1 of 9. Look at it. Page 2 of 9. You can see. This is how to go about it. Then, if I want to retain the former one, then you undo it. You can see we have only the numbers there. If I should delete page 9, let's assume I want to delete this page. Then I click on it. Then I delete it. You will notice that we are going to have only page 8. Page 9 has been deleted. And if I want to undo it, then you undo it. This is it. Then another thing I want to ship in, the first page, if I don't want the number to be appeared on the page, this is what you're going to do. Just click on the number, the page numbering, then click on edit. Now, look at it. Show numbers on. If probably you don't want the cover page to have numbers, then you can now click on this very particular section. If you don't want number to appear on the front cover, then you can uncheck it. Then this is how to go about it. Or probably the last page you don't want number there, which is the back cover, then you uncheck this as well. Then after that, you click on done. Now, this is how to go about it. Look at it. The first page, no page numbers. We're having it on the second page, and so on and so forth. Let me go to the last page, which is the back cover. This is the back cover. You can see no numbers here. Now, but in the case whereby you want numbers on all the pages, you see that you go back to edit to do that, or you come to the undo button. There you click on undo. You can see you are going to have the page numbers on the last page. Then another thing I want to ship in, you can also add more pages to your document. Let's click on this plus sign to add the next page. You can see we're having page 10. If you click on this again, you are going to have page 11. This is how to go about it. Or if you want to delete the page, you delete it easily. This is page 9. If you don't want it there, you can delete it. You are having only page 8, but let's undo it. This is how to go about it. You can also customize your page numbers in Canva. Therefore, click on the page numbers, then the font. If you want to change the font type, then you can come here, look at it, then click on this. Look at it. The font has been changed. Look at it. Then let me click on the font again. This is it. Then if I should click on this, you can see that it is changing. You can see it is changing. This is how to go about this. Then aside from that, if I want to probably decrease or increase the size, this is how to go about it. But I will prefer it for 14. Then aside from that, if you want to probably add color to it, then you come here, click on color. Then you can now fix it for red for this tutorial purpose. Then if you want to bold it, come to the B where we're having format under it, then click on B to bold it. If you want it to be italics, this is how to go about it. Or you want to underline it, this is how to go about this. Then aside from that, let's assume it. Look at it. This is part of the edit. This very particular one, you can see that this very particular page, we're having color red on the second page. Look at other page. We have it for black. Therefore, if you want all other pages to be in the same color, then click on the number, then you click on the date at the bottom here. The next thing, you click on apply property to all pages. Then you will see that all the pages will be in red color. Look at it. This is how to go about it. The same thing with all the pages. Then part of what you can do on this page numbering, let's assume you want the number in the middle. Just fix it here. Then all you need to do, click on edit. Then click on apply property to all pages. You are going to have it all in the middle. Look at it. This is how to go about it. Then aside from that, it depends on the position where you want it to be. If you click on it, if you want it at the upper side there, you are good to go. Or you want it in the middle or here. It depends on where you want it. This is how to go about it. Then let's assume you don't want all the numbers on the pages. You click on edit. Then you can now come here, remove all page numbers. Click on it. You can see page numbers remove on all pages. We don't have it here any longer. But if you want it, you can click on undo here. You have it back. Or you click on the undo button at the upper side there. So this is how to automatically and freely add page numbers to your document using Canva. If you have found this video very useful, please kindly subscribe to my channel. Give it a thumbs up. Share the video with your family and friends. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.